Hello students, I hope you all are fit and fine. Today the date is 6 July 2020 and again we are here with the chapter nouns, and we have discussed three types of noun: common noun, proper noun and collective nouns. Now fourth type is material nouns. Now what do you mean by material nouns? What do you mean by material nouns? So firstly we are going to discuss the definition. Material nouns are the names of the substances from which objects are prepared. Again, I am reading the definition. Try to understand the meaning, then I'll explain. Material nouns are the names of the substances from which objects are prepared, or we can say the noun which denotes material or substances are called material nouns. Means simply material nouns are those names of the substances by which any objects are prepared. Or in simple terms, I am explaining you one more time in simple words, like material nouns are the raw material. You can say material nouns are the raw materials by which objects are prepared. Now this is easy for you. It's a kind of raw material by which we are preparing objects. Any object it would be. Okay, for example, plastic. Plastic is a material noun. Iron is a material noun. Copper is a material noun. Gold is a material noun. Diamond is a material noun. Rubber is a material noun by which rubber, glass, cotton, cloth, paper, water, oil, etc. These all are material noun. Why these all are material noun? Why this is not common noun? Plastic, it would be common noun also, but no. Plastic is material noun because by plastic, iron, copper and all these things are used in preparing any of the object or any of the thing. So this is called material nouns which are being used in preparing the objects. Okay, like plastic is used in something, iron is used, copper, gold is used in making rings, jewelries, etc. Diamond is used in making rings, jewelries, etc. So these all are material noun. I hope this is clear. Now let me give you one more example by which the concept is more clear to you. Like I am having pen. First it is written here pen. Now can you tell me pen is common noun or material noun? Some students will be thinking that this is material noun because it's a material. No, it's not a material. It is common noun. Pen is common noun. But how this pen is prepared? This plastic body is called material noun because this pen is prepared by plastic. So plastic is material noun. Pen is made up of plastic. So we can say that plastic is material noun, but pen is common noun. Okay. Now let us take one more example. Chair. Okay. Chair. Everybody is having chair at their homes. Now chair is material noun or common noun? Some students are thinking that chair is material noun because it's a material. No, it's not a material. It is common noun. But how chair is being prepared? By plastic. Again, so plastic is material noun. I hope this is clear. Next, television. So television is common noun. But the substances used in making this television is called material noun, like glass, plastic, iron. All these are material noun by which television has been prepared. Okay, ring. Like I am showing you my ring. I have here two rings here. Okay, ring. So I have here two rings. Ring is common noun or proper noun or material noun? It is. Some students again are thinking that these are called material noun. No, ring is not material noun. Ring is common noun. But how this ring is prepared? Like this ring is made up of gold. This one is made up of silver. So silver and gold are material noun by which these rings prepared. I hope this is clear now. Okay. Next I am going to tell you some key points which is very much important for you to learn. Like first is material noun already exist in nature. Material noun already exist in nature. We have not made this. Material noun is already exist in nature. It is already there. Like plastic, gold, silver, copper, milk, water. Man has not prepared milk. Man has prepared cheese. Man has prepared ghee. So man has prepared many things by milk, but milk is material noun because we have not prepared milk. Okay. Next, water. You can take the example of water. We have prepared water. No. So water is material noun. This is already exist in nature. Second, these are uncountable nouns. We cannot count the material nouns. If you want to differentiate material noun with the other nouns, so you have to remember these points, that material nouns are uncountable nouns. These are already exist in nature. Third, these are not man-made. Again, the same point I have told you earlier, that we have not prepared this. These are already exist in nature. Okay. Next, it has no singular and plural form. It has no singular and plural form because it is already in nature. We have not prepared this. These are not man-made, so we cannot change anything in this. So these are not having singular and plural form. Like gold, so we cannot say golds, we cannot say diamonds. Okay, it is gold and diamond. Next is, it is always weighed or measured. We cannot count. I told you in this point, we can always weighed or measured. Like 5 liter petrols, 5 liter petrol. Okay, so we can measure or weight, but we cannot count. So these are some of the key points which are very much important. Now let us do one exercise by which this concept is more clear to you. Underline the material noun in the below sentences. You have to tell me what are the material nouns in these sentences. Like first is, diamond is the hardest substance. Okay, what is the material noun in this? Yes, correct, diamond. Okay, so diamond is the material noun by which we can prepare many things. Okay. Next, her ring is made of gold. Ring is common noun, but gold by which we can prepare many things, many objects. So gold is material noun. Next, chair is made of wood. Now chair is common noun, is made of wood by which that chair has prepared wood. So wood is material noun. Cotton is grown in India. What is material noun in this? Cotton, by which we can prepare many of the objects or things. So cotton is material noun. I hope this is clear. Okay, now I am going to give you one homework. You will do that homework and we'll check later.